Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the phone app to find visual voicemail on your iPhone X home screen. The voicemail tab displays messages as a list with timestamps and durations. Tap any message to play, pause, rewind, or fast forward when needed. Your carrier provides voicemail service and sometimes requires a password or activation to use features. Voicemails you save use device storage and will sync with iCloud if you enable it in settings. Visual voicemail removes the need to call mailboxes for basic playback and tap the voicemail tab and follow the on-screen prompts to create a voicemail password. Choose default or select custom to record a personalized greeting using the built-in microphone. Use the Setup Now button and speak your greeting clearly for the best playback quality. If visual voicemail is unavailable, call your carrier or dial your voicemail number from the keypad. Carrier settings sometimes require activation or a plan that includes visual voicemail support for iPhone X users. Tap a voicemail to see playback controls and message details, including date and duration. Swipe left on a message to reveal delete and more options for quick management. Use Edit to select multiple messages and then Delete to free up device storage instantly. Tap the share icon to export a voicemail and send it via messages, mail, or save to files for backup. To recover deleted voicemails, open the recently deleted folder and tap Recover within 30 days of deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.